Tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a token on the Near protocol without any code. And this is part of a longer series of Near videos that involve no code as well. I love the Near ecosystem. I love what they're doing to onboard very easily. And so the first step is to go to TKN.farm, token.farm, and then click login. For this, you're going to need a Near wallet. It's pretty easy to set up. That's for a separate tutorial. I'm going to just show you what I have already logged in. Log in, a pop-up happens, and then it asks you for 0.25 near, like $2.50 as a network allowance fee so that this app can allocate gas fees or network transaction fees for the use of this application. So I skipped that step because I didn't want to show you all that wallet stuff, and immediately went into issuing a token. So it's pretty simple. Issuing a new token will cost you 2.23 near. So it's around like 20 to 30 bucks, which is way cheaper than paying a developer right now. You put your token name, let's say MinorityProgrammers, we're putting MPA, and we're putting around 7 billion because we want every single person to have a token that's a minority, and anybody can be a minority depending how you look at it. We welcome everybody. So that's around 7 million people. And then we're going to do a token icon, which I'm going to essentially not show you my files either. Token icon has been uploaded, and then you can just do create token. This is going to cost around $25, Let's just approve that. And then you can see already, let's just look it up by your tokens. And then, yep, you can see it right there. MPA. And then next video, I'm going to show you how to actually get this on a decentralized exchange like Ref.Finance by providing liquidity with one other token and then your own token, which essentially sets the price and allows for anyone to trade it, people to arb it, all that good stuff.